My name is Carrie Lapp, and I work for High Street Communities. We are a property management company. We own and operate right now about 1,200 homes. Our goal is to have all of our friends work with us, live with us, and invest with us. Creating community is huge. In 2021, when we do our suite changeovers, we went up about 57% in cost on having to turn over suites, and we were wondering, like, what's happening here? We were doing old school paper copies, so they're not very clear. So when you write a scuff, you're like, what's a scuff? And someone would read that and, you know, it could be a hole in the wall and they're like, well, it says there's a scuff here. We need to look into how we can not have these chargebacks and that they're actually billed back to the community member instead of us, you know, for anything that's above normal wear and tear. I was a community leader prior to my position now. And that was one of the things that I struggled with. Telling someone, you know, that this is what it is. Going to SnapInspect, it offers that clarity. You visually see this, right? It's so much easier when it's like black and white in front of your face. You can just show them, well, this is what it was. And then it kind of eliminates the conflict for that. Community members love it as well, just because they feel confident that you've captured everything. I mean, if they trust you and they feel confident with you, then they'll want to stay and live with you, right? And they'll recommend people to live with you. You know, I pulled a recent report and we are reducing non-chargebacks by 50%, so that's drastic. Like 50% of whatever the value of that is, that's pretty drastic for me.
At SnapInspect, we truly believe that customers are champions, which means we go above and beyond to ensure we produce high-quality customer experience and that we cover the inspections needs. We have a 4-phase onboarding process that we provide for our customers, ensuring they get maximum efficiency out of SnapInspect. I love working with Carrie. She was committed to getting SnapInspect software set up, which of course makes my life easier.
My favorite part would probably be working with Tatiana. I mean, they were just great. They were incredibly supportive. I mean, I have a really busy schedule and I'm traveling to properties, so sometimes I was dropping the ball and they were picking it up for me. They were like, oh, I've got you. So that was really amazing. They just worked around my schedule, my timing. I mean, sometimes it was like, if I was working super late or in the morning, like they were up at 3 a.m. I was like, what time is it there? You're joking me. Or weekends. And so they've gone above and beyond to help work with my schedule so we can make this work.
Our customers are our champions. It was really great supporting Carrie and High Street Communities through the onboarding process.